Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be teaching you how to put in an RFI for a project in Sage Construction Management. So we are right now on the home page. We're going to go over here to the right and select projects. Here you are able to select from a list, or you can click this hyperlink to get to your projects. You are going to choose the project that you need to submit an RFI for. Scroll down to Correspondence and click RFIs. Here, you are going to go to Actions, click on that, Add Manually. The issue date and RFI number will pop up for you as well as the project. So the subject is next. You need to put in the subject, the type, then you do not need to put in the reason or the priority for this to work, but it would help. So you need to choose your originator, who the RFI came from. Coordinated by will pop up as just you. This will be automatically put in, and you are able to change all these addresses. The main respondent, whoever you need response from, and the due date. Additional respondents can be added once the RFI is created. Here you will put in the request, what information you need, question that they're asking, then you can also put in links and pictures in here. You can throw in a suggestion as well. Here you can put references, as in drawings, locations, if this is coming from a CO and what number. You can turn on the workflow response, allowing your respondents to respond to you. And this will auto notify your respondents. Down here is the impact. So if your impact is to be determined, you can leave this checked, but if not, you need to uncheck this to have access to these. And then you can choose your schedule impact or your financial impact. Here you can drag in whatever files are needed. And you can also link to existing files, drawing specs, photos, and other records. And then you have submitted an RFI for the project.